Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. This video is about the new GST, where the government has declared a two-tier tax system, or main focusing on two slab system of tax, that is 5% and 18%, abolishing the 12% and 28%. That is 56th summit, 56th meeting, chaired by Union Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharamanji, has declared new tax rates. And one thing more, we can see that on 15th August 2025, our Prime Minister has declared about the new tax rate, that is the next gen GST reform. So this speech is in line with this 56th meeting chaired by Nirmala Sitharamanji. Let us see what it says about. So it is a historic Diwali gift for the nation. Next gen GST reform for ease of living and to build Atmanirbhar Bharat. Really, this is declared yesterday. So really it is in association with the Onam celebration of Malayalis also, or Onam celebrations, the all people also. So, and this will be coming into effect on 22nd September. And this tells about from farmers to enterprises, from households to business. The next gen GST brings happiness for all. Save big on daily essentials. That is hair oil, shampoo, toothpaste, toilet soap, then toothbrushes, shaving cream. It decreased from 18% to 5%. Then other items of this list, that is 5% daily essentials, butter, ghee, cheese, and dairy spreads, pre-packaged, namkins, bhujia, mixtures, utensils, feeding bottles, napkins for babies, and clinical diapers, sewing machines, and parts. All these rates came down to 5%. So the first one, it was 18 to 5%. This five categories, 12% to 5%. Then uplifting farmers and agriculture items, tractor, tires, and parts. It was 18%, it came down to 5%, and tractors, it was 12%, it came to 5%. Then again, specified biopesticides, micronutrients, drip irrigation system and sprinklers, agriculture, horticulture or forestry, machines for soil preparation, cultivation, harvesting and threshing, all these four categories, it was 12%, it came down to 5%. Then relief in healthcare sector, individual health and life insurance, 18% to 0. Then thermometer, 18% to 5%. Then other four categories, medical grade oxygen, all diagnostic kits and reagents, glucometer and test strips, and corrective spectacles, all these were 12%, they came down to 5%. Then automobile made affordable, petrol and petrol hybrid, LPG, CNG cars not exceeding 1200 cc and 4000 mm, that came down to 18% from 28%. Diesel and diesel hybrid cars not exceeding 1500 cc and 4000 mm came down from 28% to 18%. Three-wheeled vehicles 28% to 18%, motorcycles 350 cc and below to 18%, motor vehicles for transport of goods 18%. This is about the automobile made affordable. Then affordable education, it is nil, it is 0%. There is maps, charts, globes, pencils, sharpeners, crayons, pastels, exercise books, notebooks, they came down to, an eraser came down to 0. Eraser was 5%, it came down to 0. Then save on electronic appliances, air conditioners, television above 32 inch including LED, LCD TVs, monitors, projectors, dishwashing machines, all this came down to 18% from 28%. And one more category is there about 40% tax in this slab system, which is known as a sin goods or luxury goods include aerated and caffeinated drinks. Some luxury vehicles are aerated and caffeinated drinks. And aerated means it is having some gas particles included, that drinks that type of. Then some luxury vehicles, petrol above 1200 cc, diesel above 1500 cc, and high-end motorcycles above 350 cc. Yachts, personal aircraft and services like online gambling, gaming, and betting. Tobacco products and pan masala previously taxed under 28% slab with the compensation cess. So all these were 28% plus cess remain under that category of now due to the pending obligations, but are slated to move to the 40% rate once these are cleared. So 40%. So these sin goods or luxury goods include 28% plus cess. Then we can see 40%. Then process reforms, automatic registration within 3 working days for applicants identified by the system based on data analysis, who determines that he would not pass input tax credit exceeding 2.5 lakh per month and opts for the scheme. Sanction of provisional refund by proper office through system-based risk evaluation for zero-rated supplies with inverted duty structure. Yes. The next generation of GST reforms are a gift for every Indian this Diwali. Taxes for the general public will be reduced substantially. Our MSMEs and small entrepreneurs will get huge benefit. Everyday items will become cheaper, and this will also give a new boost to the economy. Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister of India. Thank you all.